Another day, another package. Let's see what we have here today. More products to review. Oh, and this is a fast inflating compressor, a tire inflator. These things are really good. I'm not gonna open it right now. I'm gonna take it actually on a trip and we will try it there where we go. I'm going on a skiing trip tonight, so we will do it this in Chile, not here in Miami. Well, we came all the way from Miami to the south of Chile, this remote area close to Patagonia, and we're gonna do a little demonstration with this Rocgorld Tire Inflator. This is a small compressor that is actually really useful here in these areas. We've been driving all day long on dirt roads, under snow, rain, rocks. So we're gonna see what we have in this package. It's pretty cold here, 35 degrees. It's snowing, but I don't see any snow around, so who knows? This is what Google is telling us, but let's go and do this. So here we have it, I guess. Oh, here it is. So this one is charged through the 12-volt outlet in the car. So we're gonna go and do that. We're gonna see how it is. So this one has a maximum measurement range of 150 PSI. Pretty compact model. Looks cool. Let's go inside the car for charging. Let's go inside the car to charge it. By the way, this is a Volkswagen Amarok Terra 4Motion, so all-wheel drive. This is one model that we don't have in the States, and a lot of people love to have it, but here in Chile it's very, very useful. This one has been a little bit modified. It's a lifted suspension. It has a modified bumper, as you can see here. And let's go inside to see how we're gonna charge this compressor. So again, here it is, Rocgorld inflator. Comes with a little velcro here. Have the wire. Plug it in here through the back. And there it is. It's already light up, even though the car is not on. The engine is not on. It's already running. Here you have all the measurements. This one is to measure what it's already on it. Let's go and see how it is. So there it is. It reached the targeted measurement, 2.5, and we're ready to go. So this Rocgorld mini compressor, really useful here in the south of Chile, and it also has this emergency light, as you can see. If you're if you have the flat tire on the road, you turn this on, showing other drivers that you're stuck, and you're gonna need a few minutes to get your tires back up. So here we are in Chile with this Rocgorld compressor model R8, highly recommended.
Está muy helado.
Ah, ¿en la tierra?
No, ahí está muy duro.
Ya.
Hay partes que están más blandas dentro del tiro. Pero está helado ahora.